Okay, the secure attachment style. I'm going to touch base on the secure attachment style. That's the one that we all strive for. The person with the secure attachment style looks at the glass as half full. They have a very positive worldview. The world is a good place to be. It's a safe place to be. We all have our faults. We all have our errors. We all make errors. We all make choices that we may later regret. We are not perfect. We are imperfect individuals. If a person has a developmentally secure attachment style, it doesn't mean that they're not going to make choices that they regret later. It just means that they are resilient. So the bottom line for the secure attached person is, you're okay, I'm resilient. If I do make a poor choice, I'm going to get through this. All is well. I'm going to be all right. So they will take risk. If it's time to leave a job, they're going to leave. If it's time to leave a certain relationship, it could be a friendship, romantic friendship, or a family relationship. If they need to leave it or put distance there, they're going to do it. So they might think about it a little bit and then they jump in there. So, and make whatever choices they make. So the secure attached person can rebound faster. Doesn't mean they don't have to come to therapy. When I have a secure attached person come to therapy, I notice a fast outcome. I notice fast results. If I say, I'm going to read this book, they come back, they've read the book. If I say, go to this meeting over here, get some phone numbers and talk to people, they've done it. If I say, go to the meeting, after the meeting, get some phone numbers or go to coffee with them, they're going to do it. They're going to do it. If I say, go check out this over here, there's an event over here and I think you might be, they go. Just like that. So if they're investing their time and their money into getting advice from someone, then by God, they're gonna take it. The secure attachment style is out there. There are people with secure attachment styles, and if you did not develop a secure attachment style and it's developed by the age of 3, as I mentioned during the workshop, then you can, there is hope. You can develop a secure attachment style as you grow on your journey. You can develop what we call a learned secure attachment style. So a lot of the behaviors that you're learning will become second nature as you practice one by one. So remember, the grass is greener on the other side. I'm Gardner with Gardner Counseling Services.